In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize client feedback in ClickUp. We'll build a clean, repeatable system so every piece of feedback is captured, prioritized, and tracked through to completion. Start by opening your ClickUp dashboard. If you're starting fresh, create a workspace or simply add a dedicated folder for feedback. Give it a clear name like client feedback so everyone knows exactly where to put items. Inside that folder, create a separate list for each client or project. For example, you might have client A feedback or project X feedback. This separation keeps conversations tidy and makes it easy to filter updates when a client checks in. To save time and keep entries consistent, set up a task template for feedback. Include fields like client name, date of feedback, feedback details, priority, and status. Standardizing these fields prevents missed details and makes reporting much easier down the line. When feedback arrives, head to the correct list and create a new task. Name it clearly, like website redesign feedback from client A. In the description, capture the exact feedback you received. Attach screenshots, documents, or forwarded emails so context travels with the task. Assign it to the right teammate, set the priority, high, medium, or low, and start the status at new. Next, customize your statuses to match your workflow. A simple flow might be new, under review, action planned, and completed. This makes progress transparent at a glance and encourages your team to move items forward. Use priorities or custom fields to flag urgent items. That way, critical bugs or high-impact requests get handled first. Add tags or custom fields like design, bug, or feature requests so you can slice your feedback by type or department whenever you need to analyze trends. By the way, there's a direct link to ClickUp at the top of the description so you can sign up on the web or download the app and follow along. To monitor progress, switch between views. List view is great for a detailed rundown. Board view helps you track status visually like a Kanban. And calendar view shows deadlines for action items. Turn on notifications so the right people are alerted when new feedback lands. If you want to speed things up, add automations, like moving tasks to under review when the status changes, or auto-assigning items based on category. Finally, build a habit of reviewing all feedback regularly. Use ClickUp's reporting or export summaries to keep clients and your team aligned. Thanks for watching.